Namaste children. This video is for class 9, subject computer, chapter 7, topic openoffice.org, writer, part 2 video. Children, I welcome you all for today's computer class. In this video, let me give the practical demonstration. Children, let me give the practical demonstration regarding changing line style or line color in a drawing object. Change fill style or fill color in a drawing object. Inserting picture from file. Grouping and ungrouping drawing objects. Creating and customizing table. Formatting a table. Printing and getting help. Children, now practically let us see how to change the line style or line color in a drawing object. In order to insert a line, go to the drawing toolbar and select the line and insert the line in your document. Now we will see how to change the line style or line color. Here could you able to see the line style, children? Click the drop down list, select any of the required line style. You can also increase the width of the line. Also, you can change the line color. So, like this, you can change the line style or a line color. Another method is, you can select the line, go to the format menu and select the object, select line, and here in the line box, could you able to see the style option? Select any of the required style. Also, you can increase the width. You can also change the color of the line. Select any of the required color and you can give OK. So like this you can change the line style or the line color. Children, now let us see how to change the fill style or fill color in a drawing object. So you can select any of the drawing object from the drawing toolbar. For example, select star and insert star in your document. Now, shall we see how to change the fill style or fill color? Select the object. Here, could you able to see the drop down list, area style? So, either you can select color, gradient, hatching or bitmap. Say for example, I am selecting color. Select any of the required color. So like this you can change the fill style or fill color. You can also select gradient. You can also give any of the required gradient. Another method is select the object, go to format menu and choose object, select area. In the area box, could you able to see the tabs colors, gradients, hatching, bitmap. Say for example, if you are selecting hatching, select any of the required hatching and you can give OK. If you are selecting gradient, select any of the required gradient and you can give OK. Like this, if you want to give bitmap, you can select any of the bitmap and you can give OK. So like this, you can change the fill style or fill color in a drawing object. Children, do you like to insert picture from file? In order to insert picture from file, what you have to do is select insert menu and choose picture. Picture from file. Now select any of the required picture and you can give open. So like this you can insert any of the picture. So could you able to see these green edges? You can resize the picture either in a bigger size or in a smaller size. Now in the picture box, could you able to see this filter option? So here you can see various options like invert, smooth, sharpen. Also you can see solarization. For example, I am selecting solarization. Give OK. So like this you can modify the picture. You can insert the picture from the file and you can modify the picture. Children, you can insert several objects in writer document and you can also group them together. In order to group the several objects, what you have to do is go to the drawing toolbar, Could you able to see the select option? Click onto the select option. Now group the several objects. Now go to format menu and choose group option. Now all the objects are grouped together. Now you move and see children, all the objects will be moved together. In order to ungroup the drawing objects, what you have to do is select the object, go to format menu and choose group. Now you have to select ungroup. Now you move and see, all the objects will not be moved together because I have given ungroup. So like this, you can group and ungroup the drawing objects. Children, now let us see how to create and customize table. Like Word document, even in Writer window also you can insert table and you can customize the table. Go to standard toolbar and you can select table option. This is one method. Another method is you can go to insert menu and you can select table option, or else you can also press Ctrl plus F12 keys. Now could you able to see this insert table box? Here you can specify the required columns and required rows. For example, I am giving 5 columns and 4 rows. Now I am giving OK. So like this you can insert the table. After inserting the table, as soon as inserting the table, you can see the table box. So could you able to see the table box here? Now you can see the various options. So like you can also give the line style, you can also give line color, you can also give borders, you can also give background color for the table, you can also merge the cells, you can also split the cells. So like this you can see various options in the table box. Now shall we give the background color, children? Select any of the required background color. Also you can give the borders for the table. Select all borders. And you can also change the line color. Select any of the required line color. And you can also select the line style. So select any of the required line style. So like this you can customize the table. Now if you want, you can insert some more columns, some more rows, and even you can also delete the columns and delete the rows. Could you able to see this option insert rows? Select insert rows. So you can increase the number of rows with this option. You can also insert some more columns with the help of insert column option. You can also delete the rows with the delete row option. You can also delete the columns with the delete column option. So like this you can format your table. Now if you want, you can also merge the cells and you can also split the cells. So for example, I am selecting this 2 cells and I am giving merge. So you can merge or you can combine the cells, and you can also split the cells. When you click split cells, it will be asking you to split cells in 2. For example, I am giving some numbers like 6 or 5. It is your wish. So like this you can split the cell. So like this you can format the table. Now even you can also give the nested table. For example, I am giving 3 into 4. So like this you can also give the nested table. So like this you can insert the table and you can customize the table. Children, you can also insert the table, you can customize the table, you can format your table, and you can enter the data. So here I have given serial number, name and age. So like this you can enter the data. For example, I am giving 15, 14, 13. So like this you can create the table, you can customize the table, you can format your table, and you can enter the data. Children, after creating the document, you can also print the document. Printed copy is also known as hard copy. In order to take a print, choose file menu and select print option. You can also press Ctrl plus P key. Here could you able to see the preview, children, and here could you able to see the different tabs such as General, OpenOffice Writer, Page Layout options. Under the General tab, could you able to see the different types of printer? You can select the type of printer, and below that could you able to see the range and copies, children? If you want to print all pages, you can select all pages. By default it is under selection, or else if you want to print a specific page, you can select pages and type the page number. For example, I am giving second. I would like to print the second page, and if you want to increase the number of copies, you can print the number of copies. For example, I want 5 copies, so I am selecting 5. So like this you can specify the range and copies, and finally you can give print. Children, like other application, even OpenOffice Writer provides you help option. Go to the menu bar and select help option. Here could you able to see this different options under the help menu? OpenOffice help, what's this, support, check for updates about OpenOffice. For example, select OpenOffice help, and here if you select OpenOffice help, it will show the list of contents, and you can select any of the topic of your choice. So like this you can get help in Writer. Here is an activity for you. First one, insert bullets in numberings. Second one, insert auto shapes such as star, smiley and fill the gradient. Third one, insert text box and type your name. Fourth one, create a table for the product details. So the details should be serial number, product name and price. So you have to insert 3 columns and 5 rows. So you can enter any product names, for example books, pencils, pen, chocolates, and you can enter the price. Fifth one, group and ungroup the given objects. So complete this given tryouts and take a pic and send to my personal WhatsApp number, children. That's all for today's class. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.